Merry Christmas and welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Naughty List by Liam Payne and Dixie D'Amelio. Now, this song is a 2020 release, and it is the newest release during this Christmas season of 2020. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords you need on GCEA ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. Just want to remind you that there are chapters here, so if you scroll on the bottom of the screen, you can jump to parts of the video that matter to you, and you can also see the list of chapters in the description below. And also, if you like the chords as they're presented in this song, and you'd like to print that off or see that away from this video, you can do that at ukestuff.com. UkeStuff is a collaborator with this site, and you can find a link below that will take you to that file at ukestuff.com. All right, let's take a look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be playing my cocobolo concert ukulele. It is made out of solid cocobolo wood from Nicaragua. Now, before we begin, hand position is really important with the song, and if you do it right, 3 of the 4 chords require very little motion whatsoever. So the first chord is the A chord. The second chord is the F sharp minor. Just add the 3rd finger to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now, here's my suggestion. Don't move your hand too much. Just slide everything down to play D. That's how I normally play D, by the way, is I put my 1st finger at the top of the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then put the other 2 fingers around it. So going from F sharp minor to D is a very easy change. And then the final chord here is the E7. E7 is one of my favorite chords. Rotate your wrist up a little bit to make this easier. Put the 1st finger at the 4th string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger to the 1st string, 2nd fret. That's your E7 chord. And believe it or not, those are all the chords you need for the whole song on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need on baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be playing this mainland baritone with a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord you need is the A chord. The second chord you need is the F sharp minor chord. You're going to bar all 4 strings at the 2nd fret and then reach over with your 3rd finger to play the 4th string, 4th fret. Now, a couple tricks for the bar chord. Take your 1st finger and put it all across all 4 strings right above the 2nd fret, right above it, and then pull against the fretboard like you're going to launch something off of it. And then just lightly support with your thumb. It does not require a lot of force if you're positioned in the right spot. Then reach over with your 3rd finger to the 4th string, 4th fret. And that is your F sharp minor chord. Now, you may find it easier if you want to move from A, being a full bar chord on the 2nd fret, and adding your pinky to the 1st string, 5th fret, and then switching to A minor chord. You could do that, but it's your choice. The next chord is the D chord, and then the last chord is just going to be the standard E chord. And those are the 4 chords you need on Naughty List on baritone DGBE ukulele. So let's talk about strumming. I'll be using a GCEA instrument for this, but if you'll notice the chords in the corner, I have changed the last chord for GCEA versus DGBE baritone. The E7 is easier to play and sounds good with soprano concert or tenor. However, with the baritone and its voicing, the E7 does not work well. So I'm using just the regular E there. So if you're playing baritone, just remember, use that regular E. If you're playing soprano concert or tenor, you can use the E7. Now, basically, this is kind of a reggae strum, and everything is on offbeats. And it's a fast 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how that sort of goes. So every pattern is on 2 or 4, and then you get extra and on the 2nd set. So let's just take the A chord, for example. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right? That's what it's going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll change to the next chord. So let's do that sequence. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now, if you notice, it's ringing, and that's okay. That's what ukuleles do. If you are just starting, that might be all you get, and that's okay. So now what I want you to do is to try to throw a stop in there, so you'll actually stop the strings on beats 1 and 3. So let's try that. 1, 2, just on the A, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Hear that? Do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And that kind of gives you the reggae feel. Now, if you get really good, what you can do is you can stop the chord with your left hand pinky on these chords. So go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And that can work for all 4 of those chords, although the E7 makes it a little harder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So you can also mute with the left hand instead of trying to mute up here. Whatever works better for you, or you can try around with both ways. And then when you're all done, you're going to get this sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now let's see if I can do this with the pinky mute. I don't normally do this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So either one of those would work, and that would give you a really good replica of what you're hearing on the song. All right, that's all you need to be successful on Naughty List on either soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukuleles or baritone DGBE ukuleles. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and best wishes for a great 2021. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.